Yes, hello. My name is Patrick Cohrs, and I'm here to introduce a course that my colleague Professor Mauro Campos and I have designed, which focuses on the United States and the remaking of global order in the 20th century. We live in a period in which, if we think about the international policies and role of the United States, we think of President Trump, destructive behavior, and the United States being almost a danger to world order, or in actuality, such a danger. But it is very important to understand, and this is what this course hopes to convey, that American policies, American engagement, but also American interests played a massive part in transforming the modern international order in the 20th century and in creating something like the modern world order that now seems so challenged in the 21st century. In order to understand how this came about, this course will start at the very beginning of what we might call the long 20th century, the late 19th century, in which the United States was still very relatively isolated and aloof from world affairs. And we then look at two different stages, the post-World War I stage and then the very important stage after the Second World War, in which the United States became a very pivotal, critical power, not just in making international political order, but also in redesigning something we might call the world economic order. So we will look at American policies vis-à-vis all different parts of the world, so not just vis-à-vis Europe, but also East Asia, the wider global context. Of course, eventually this will take us to the global Cold War and the post-Cold War era. This is not just a course about the relations between states and governments, but again it involves a wide spectrum of actors, transnationally operating American organizations, people who wanted to give... Let's do this again. Yeah,
awesome.
Sorry.
No, don't worry.
No,